Understanding how your team's collective network connects to the needs of your portcos is crucial in progressing towards an exit or an IPO. Whether you're looking to connect executive teams with customers, talent, additional investors, or experts who can guide strategy and expansion, relationship intelligence highlights the best path to making these connections. Relationship intelligence for portfolio management. With the firm's complete data set centralized and integrated, dealmakers can see trends within portcos and across markets. For example, dealmakers can monitor growth metrics like hiring trends to spot signs of a downturn and set reminders to check in accordingly. Firms can use the extensive data that relationship intelligence provides to set up customized, scheduled reporting for each investment. This can be shared with LPs or potential co-investors to secure funding and improve the chances of a successful exit. Subscribe to our YouTube page for more videos like these, and head to our website for the full guide to discover the impact of relationship intelligence at 4 other venture stages.